Hello, in this short video I wanted to take a quick look at how to create an area of interest or AOI from a raster class. Normally an area of interest would generally come from a vector layer or a vector source or something you just digitize over your image. Here I have a Landsat scene, but in this case I have a thematic layer which I want to use to extract one class or a selection of classes and form those into an area of interest to, for example, cluster bust. So just take specific classes that I don't think have been broken down into subclasses successfully. So I want to take that class, create an area of interest, and use that area of interest just to run supervised classification on only those pixels that fall within that area of interest. So this is very easy. We have our land cover classification layer over the top of a Landsat scene. You can see that. So to create an area of interest, for example, from the orange or gold colored class, go ahead and show the attribute table, which is down here embedded at the bottom. Click on the class. So you can either click within the attribute cell array, or we can click in the viewer itself over the class. So I'm just going to click on the gold area, and you can see towards the lower left the particular class has been highlighted. Now we simply go to the Home tab, activate the Home tab, and select Paste from Selected Object. You'll notice there are two paste buttons adjacent to each other, Traditional Paste and Paste from Selected Object. In this instance, because we have selected something within Imagine, we want to go ahead and paste from Selected Object. So simply click on that, and you'll see that we immediately have an AOI layer. If I turn off my land cover layer, you can see that I have a raster area of interest in white defined for the locations that I want to process. So I've created my area of interest. So it will be as simple now as going to raster, unsupervised classification. And in my unsupervised classification dialog, pick the Landsat scene I want to classify, but go ahead and click on the area of interest button. That will bring up the Choose AOI dialog. In this instance, I could save the AOI to a file for later use. Here I have it already active in the viewer, so I'll select the source as being the viewer for the area of interest. Click OK, and that's pretty much it. Give an output file name, number of classes you want to produce, click OK, and we are done. We've produced our land cover classification, our cluster busted classification of just one area of interest location. And just to finish off, we can go ahead and display those results. Select them from the recent list, turn off my area of interest, and there you can see the cluster busted results just in the locations of the gold class. So there we have it, how to create an area of interest from a raster class. Thank you.